not a mythology, imaginary book. Everything is fiction. It's teaching us how you have to live your life as a sober person. It is teaching us how to be honest. Generally, people think that spirituality means it is a profession. They have created a profession of begging. They are professional beggars. Everything was given free of cost in spirituality. In the Vedic culture, the medicine was free of cost. They were Vaidyas. Their Ayurvedic science was so easily available. The learned sages, the learned Brahmanas were not just professional beggars. They were having all the knowledge. They were not thinking that, oh, I want money, so I have this profession of medical science. They knew Ayurveda. They knew Jyotirveda. They knew everything. Even 100 years back, 200 years back, even few decades back, there were sincere people who used to go door to door to distribute knowledge. The British education in India, they changed everything to costly colleges and schools, and they have a pride of it that right now we have introduced education that it is national, international, actually which was so easily available without cost even in villages. A person used to go and distribute knowledge without expecting anything, and a person who is satisfied in the house by taking that knowledge, or if they are not well, they are guided on their bodily requirements. Bodily ailments are cured if they go and they suggest them something. Or if they require knowledge, the teacher will call few village children and give them some education. And these children get trained in a very high knowledge, not ordinary knowledge. The best knowledge in education is satisfaction. The modern education which never gives. Satisfaction of the heart. To keep the body clean, neat. In UK, some analysis in some newspapers that they are not changing their undergarments for many days, and their blankets are not washed for many months. We talk on Suchi, cleanliness. The Vedic civilization, they talk on cleanliness. They are saying on cleanliness not only on heart, within the heart, external cleanliness also is being taught in Vedic civilization. This is what even in village level, a teacher used to teach the students how to remain neat and clean within the heart and externally. Relationships also, how we can keep pure relationship. If you are seeing somebody in a motherly relationship, a sister relationship, you don't impose lust on them. That is cleanliness of heart. Suchihi. Dharma stands on 4 pillars, and one of the pillar is cleanliness. And the cleanliness, Suchihi, is Suchi, opposite is Muchi or Asuchi. Suchi is cleanliness, Asuchi is dirtiness. So when you are dirty, your character will be very cheap. So you cannot see any person with good nature. There is no relationship at all. So in human being there is higher relationship, which in animals they don't have. We may also have the same requirements of eating, sleeping, mating, defending because of this body.